Hi, good morning, everyone. Today is November 2nd, 2020, Monday. We'll talk about how the BP market looks like before the bell. With Dow hit very hard for the week of over 1,100 points down from previous Friday close, and Nasdaq down 5.5 as well as S&P 500 down 4%. Global stock rise after China data smooth some nerves. All major US indices are positive with Dow futures up 1.4%, Nasdaq 0.8%, and S&P about 1.1%. A second lockdown across England comes into force on Thursday, lifting the pound trend and other major currencies. China's factory data. China Can-See Purchasing Managers Index PMI came in as 53.6, which is a survey to weigh the relative level of business conditions, including employment, production, new orders, prices, supplier deliveries, and inventories, shows highest for a year, but declined export demand still pose a risk. UK manufacturing index came in 53.7, and Germany PMI came in as 58.2, and both beat the consensus. Oil slumps to 5-month low. WTI crude dropped to around slightly below $35 per barrel. Earnings expected: PayPal, Mondelez, First Energy, and Ryanair, and a couple other energy companies are the highlights. On the data docket, IHS Macon Purchasing Managers Index is scheduled for release. 3-month and 6-month bill auctions a deal. Wall Street's fear gauge is flashing warning signs. The VIX is displaying an unusual claim that suggests traders are bracing for post-election market madness. What that means is there will be a lot of very high volatility. You could go up, you could go down, and also some large volume. So it is something to pay attention. Even if stocks are resilient, oil price indicate that concerns about the fate of the economic recovery could dog markets in the coming weeks. After all, reduced mobility isn't just bad news for oil producers. The stock market has been predicting Trump victory until Friday when the S&P 500 tumbled 1.2%. Since World War II, when the S&P 500 fell in the 3 months leading up to November, president has lost the election 88% of the time. So what it means is at the moment we're predicting Biden will win the election. Several polls over the weekend showed Joe Biden leads or had Donald Trump ahead in key states. Democrats are increasingly concerned about Pennsylvania, which is considered a tipping point for the whole race. But at the moment, Biden is still ahead. As stated from my previous video, this is an opportunity to sell your stock today because the market is up apparently at the moment. The pre-market, we'll see how it goes throughout the day, and also make a portfolio adjustment as needed. Concerns with pandemic, uncertainty about stimulus, and potential protests among states with election result are the risk factor that can drive the market down. So there's still a lot of uncertainty in the market, and that's why the market blended the risk, high risk due to the volatility. So I think as an investor, you will always want to look at your investment portfolio and determine what your next action going to be. And you may be taking a couple of weeks for the market to drive down. So like I said before, I'm looking into the opportunity cost, and I've advised to buy the offset index, SDOWTECS, in case if the market has a major downside. Also, China stock, since the indicator of the PMI for China remain very strong and solid, it is also still a good idea. And I know that I read a couple of articles that they actually supporting the Chinese stock will be helping out at the moment to support your portfolio. If you like the video, please subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you for your support. Have a nice day.